Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bambang Triunasis. In this video, I would like to explain about what is pragmatic and politeness. So, first is what is pragmatic. Pragmatic is the study of speaker meaning or how more get communicate than is said. Politeness in pragmatic refers to how language user express consideration for other feeling and follow social norm with the specific content. And politeness is about conveying a message as pleasantly as possible to mitigate potential threat to face and maintain social harmony. And next is kind of form of politeness. According to some experts, first is from Gleason and Ratner. It says that politeness form of speech are lightened and require more time and effort than direct speech do. Second, according to DC, he said that in public settings, speakers often use overly elaborate phrase to maintain politeness and protect other face. According to Matthew 2007, he stated that polite form is used to express different to addresses. Next material is type of politeness according to Yule and Lakoff. There are three kinds of politeness. First is distant politeness. Distant politeness is how maintain social boundary through formal behavior and symbolic rule. Second politeness is difference politeness. It shows respect by lowering oneself to avoid conflict in a conversation or when we communicate with others. Next is camaraderie politeness. This politeness highlights the friendliness and openness as sign of courtesy. The next material, I want to explain about the concept of face. According to Brown and Levinson, face is the public self-image everyone wants to maintain. It can be lost, protect, or enhance, and face play a constant role in interaction. People generally cooperate to protect each other's face because everyone is equally vulnerable to losing it. There are two types of face according to Brown and Levinson. First is positive face. Positive face is an individual desire to be liked and appreciated by others. It is a self-image that a person wants to maintain in social interaction, portraying a positive image of themselves to others. Next is negative face. It is an individual desire to protect their personal rights, such as their freedom of speech and action. This involves a desire for autonomy. The next material is face-threatening acts, or FTA. FTA is face-threatening acts is when communication can damage a person's sense of face or affect the need and desire of someone positive or negative face. FTA can be verbal, paraverbal, or non-verbal. According to Brown and Levinson, FTA may threaten either the speaker or listener face, either the positive or negative face. The next is politeness strategy. There are four main strategies to limit the threat to the listener face, and face-threatening acts are inevitable. First strategy is built on record. This strategy does not attempt to limit the threat to the listener face. It typically used with sense of urgency when the speaker knows the listener well, or when there is a low risk of threat to the listener face. The next strategy is positive politeness. It aims to reduce the threat to listener positive face. Strategy include finding common ground, juxtaposing criticism with compliment, telling jokes, and using statement of friendship. The next strategy is negative politeness. It aims at the listener negative face and means to avoid any imposition on the listener. Such strategy include hedging, minimizing the imposition, apologizing, being indirect, and using question rather than command. The last strategy is off record or indirect. This strategy involves a serious indirectness where the speaker typically avoids saying the potentially face-threatening acts altogether. The speaker intentions are implied, and it is up to the listener to interpret them. The last material I want to explain is maxim of politeness. There are 6 kinds of maxim of politeness according to Godfrey Leach. First is tax maxim. It minimizes cost to other and maximize benefit to other. For example, excuse me, may I ask for help if it's not too much trouble? The next maxim is generosity maxim. It minimizes benefit to ourselves, and maximize cost to self. For example, let me help you. You can rest first. The next maxim is approbation maxim. This maxim maximizes praise of others and minimize criticism. For example, you were amazing during the presentation earlier. The next maxim is modesty maxim. It maximizes agreement and minimizes disagreement. The next maxim is agreement maxim. This maxim maximizes agreement and minimizes disagreement. For example, your idea is good. We can start from there. The last maxim is sympathy maxim. This maxim maximizes the sympathy and concern for other people. For example, I'm sorry to hear that news. I hope you stay strong. So that's what I can explain about politeness and face. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.